Hello students, let us start exercise 3.5 question number 4 part 5. It is related to rectangle and its area. So let us start the question. Fourth question, fifth part. The area of a rectangle get reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. If we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, the area increases by 67 square units. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. Well, students, in this question I know you will say that you haven't got anything, but one thing is very clear that they are talking about rectangle and we have to find the dimensions of rectangle. So let me start with the rectangle. Fourth question, fifth part. A rectangle always has two sides, length and breadth. So let me take variables for that. Let length of rectangle x, and in question they are using word units, so we will use the word units, and width of rectangle y units. So we have a rectangle now, and if we have rectangle we can find its area in terms of xy. So what can be the area? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, means xy square units. Now we have one rectangle whose side is x, length is x, breadth is y, area xy. Now let me read the first line of the question again. I hope you will understand this time. They are saying the area of rectangle get reduced by 9 square units. So area is xy. It will get reduced by 9 square units. Means what will be the new area? Xy minus 9. So new area will be xy minus 9. This will be the new area as per the statement. Now when it will happen? If its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. So students, length is x, right? It is to be reduced by 5 units. So x minus 5. And breadth is to be increased by 3 units. So y plus 3, right? So what is new length into new width? New length into new width becomes the area of new rectangle. And area of new rectangle is xy minus 9 according to the question. So simple. So this is your case 1. New length into new width equal to new area. New area is 9 units less than 9 square units less than the previous area. So let me simplify. X into y xy plus 3x minus 5y minus 15 equal to xy minus 9. xy cancel. Now we will left with 3x minus 5y equal to 6. So this is your equation 1. Minus 15 will go that side. Minus 9 plus 15, 6. Right? Now case 2. I hope you understood the first case. Now in second case, let me see. Again we come back to the original position, basic. Length is x, width is y, area is x. Now from here we have to think. They are saying if we increase the length by 3 units, so new length will be x plus 3, and because in the whole question we are talking about area, so new width will be, they are saying that also is increased by 2. So both width and length are increased, so definitely area is bound to increase. Now what they say, the area increases by 67 square units. So earlier area was xy, but it is increased to increased by 67 square units. So new length into new width becomes equal to new area, right? Simplify. X into y, xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal to xy plus 67, because I know that you know how to multiply two binomials. From 6th standard you are doing this chapter. So here xy got cancelled. I won't take time. 2x plus 3y equal to 61. This is your equation number 2. So we got the pair of linear equations. We have to simplify it. You can apply any of the method. So I am applying again elimination method, or let me do by substitution method. Already 2 questions we have done with elimination method only. So we will apply substitution method to solve it. Let me practice substitution also. So we'll substituting by y. So first from one of the equation, from equation 1, 3x minus 5y equal to 6. So I will take everything on the other side except one variable. So I am targeting x. So x will be equal to 6 plus 5y over 3. Now this value of x that I got from equation 1, I'll put in another equation. So substitute x equal to 6 plus 5y over 3 in equation 2. So what will happen? 2 into 6 plus 5y over 3 plus 3y equal to 61. Simplify. 12 plus 10y over 3 plus 3y equal to 61. 12 plus 10y minus 9y over 3 will go that side. It will become 183. So denominator 3 after LCM will go that side, not before LCM. You cannot take 3 on that side before you take LCM. Some students do this mistake. Please don't do this. So after LCM the denominator will go that side, right? So what we get here? 10y minus 9y, only y, and this 12 will go that side, sorry, plus 9y. So 19y equal to 183 minus 12, that is 171. So we'll simplify. 171 over 19, right? So that will come to 9. 99 is 171. Now put y value in equation 1. So that is 3x minus 5 into 9 equal to 6. So 3x is equal to 6 plus 45. So x is equal to 51 over 3. That comes to 17. So dimensions only were being asked. Yes, dimensions of the rectangle are 17 units and 9 units. Answer. So this is the answer of your 4th question, last part, that is 5th part, right?